Hi, welcome to Cock Channel. Today we'll make this super adorable mini flower display. Let's get started. Cut 3 cardboard circles about 7 centimeters in diameter for the base. Glue them together. Cover the top with green pipe cleaners to create a grassy lawn. Wrap the edges completely as well. Cover the bottom the same way using brown pipe cleaners. Next, let's make the flowers. Wrap a pipe cleaner around a pen or chopstick. Push both ends together, then twist to secure. Remove it, thread the long end through the center, and twist to lock it. Trim off the excess. Make 5 petals. Take half a pipe cleaner. Roll it into a small circle. Thread the end through the center to secure it. Trim away the excess wire. Make 2 flower centers like this. Glue the petals around the round center. Use green pipe cleaners to make 2 small leaves. Curve the leaves naturally. Trim the leaf tips into a point. Make 2 leaves the same way. Fold a green pipe cleaner in half and twist it together. Wrap it around floral wire to make the flower stem. Assemble the stem and leaves. Trim off the excess at the bottom. Glue the flowers onto the base. Add a few final decorations, and your adorable mini flower display is complete. Invite your best friend to make one too. Thanks for watching.